In this video, I will go through the process of saving the configuration of a Pro control system to a USB stick. You could also save the configuration of this control system to the cloud as well. But for now, I will do it through here. So we go through the process of saving the setting through here. We will clear everything out and then we'll put the setting back. Okay, so first you insert the USB stick into the port, and then you go to configuration, highlight that. In here, you want to select the first option, backup configuration. Yes. So now you give it a name. You could keep the default name, backup config.dat. I will leave it in that file, default. You could change that name. So we will let it run through. Okay. So that is saved. If I go to restore to check, I can see that's the file name that we had saved there. Okay, so normally you take this out, you remove your USB stick, and you keep this in the same place. This would have your settings of that. So just as a test, I will go ahead and I will remove all settings from this by restore to factory default. In order to do that, you go into configuration. Actually, you go to advanced. It's under advanced. And then you reset the controller. Okay, in the reset controller, there's this option here, factory default. I will go into here. This will wipe out everything to make sure you save the setting either to USB stick or to the cloud, or possibly both. But I'll go ahead and restore factory default here. It will reset. It will come back up. And you see most of the setting that was here is all gone. Sensors gone. Let me get, it's still booting up. Okay, but you can see everything is gone. There's no other settings on here. No equipment. If I go to program equipment, no equipment available, so everything's wiped out. Okay, so let's see if we can put it back with this configuration. Insert it back in. Okay, I'm gonna go to configuration. Okay, now this time I'm gonna go to restore configuration. And we're gonna navigate to the same file that we saved it to. Oops. Restore, yes. Okay, and I'll back out. I'm gonna take this USB stick back out. Okay, you can see that the sensor reading came back. Okay, the cloud connection back. Weather station, equipment. Okay, everything come back. So that is the process of restoring the configuration from a USB stick.